Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you are using Canva and you want to remove the background from a picture for free, but unfortunately the background remover feature in Canva requires you to pay money. Don't worry, today I will show you some fantastic online tools that will remove the background from a picture totally for free. The first website is erase.bg. The second website is removal.ai. The third website is Adobe Express. The fifth website is from photoroom.com, and they have a background remover which is also free. The fifth website is removal.ai. You can use these free tools to remove the background from your pictures, which in turn you can use in Canva for free. So this is it for today, and if you like my video, please subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching.